Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. Today I wanted to show you a routine that I've been loving and also talk a little bit about how I retain my length. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, my hair is in need of some hydration. Normally, you go straight into washing your hair, but what I like to do and what I always recommend doing first is detangle. There are several pre-poos out there, but I like to detangle using the Trayless Curl Primer. This is a multi-purpose product that I've talked about multiple times on my channel. One thing I absolutely love about it is how hydrating and refreshing it feels on my hair. It has amazing slip that just melts into my strands, instantly rehydrating my curls. It also helps me cut back on wash time, which is a huge plus. When you're detangling it, it's so important to make sure your hair is wet. I try not to detangle on soaking wet hair because that's when it's most fragile and prone to breakage. I also don't recommend detangling on dry hair since it can become brittle and snap easily due to friction and lack of elasticity. This primer allows me to detangle quickly without causing damage, and I don't need to use a lot of the product, which I really appreciate. After detangling, I go in with the Traylux Curl Renew and Restore Cleanser. This is one of my favorite products. As someone who has struggled with matting and dryness in the past, choosing the right cleanser is major for me. I wash my hair every week and I don't usually deal with much buildup, so this product is perfect. It gently cleanses, detangles, and replenishes moisture all at once. Because I go days without really touching my hair, it's important that I use products that help me retain moisture and revive my curls, and this cleanser does exactly that. When you're focused on retaining length, it's not just about caring for your ends, your scalp health matters too. Choose a shampoo that removes buildup, balances moisture, prevents breakage, and supports a healthy scalp. After rinsing, I follow up with my Traylux Soothe and Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. If there's one thing I prioritize, is deep conditioning. My hair always looks and feels better when I deep condition, and it's much easier to maintain throughout the week. I love this deep conditioner because it's thick and creamy, it glides onto my hair and makes detangling much easier. It's specifically targeted for people who struggle with dullness, dryness, and breakage, so it really aligns with what my hair needs. It restores moisture while also strengthening and softening my curls. I leave it on for about 25 to 30 minutes. Although I didn't sit under the dryer this time, I typically do. Since parts of my hair are low porosity and prone to dryness, sitting under the dryer makes a huge difference. The heat helps open up my cuticles so the moisture can penetrate more effectively, leaving my hair much softer. When I'm focused on length retention, I always start with the health of my hair, and that begins with a solid wash routine. Now, I do switch things up and try new products from time to time. I'll list some of my other favorites down below so you can check them out. But when something works, I like to stick with it, and this routine does just that. For styling, I've been keeping things super simple and lightweight. The first product I'm using is the Rizos Curls Defining Cream. This is one of my favorites because it's lightweight and works great on its own or layered with other products. I don't use much, just enough to hydrate my hair since I'm pairing it with something else. I'm someone who prefers volume over super defined curls, and this product gives me both. The key ingredients include aloe vera, shea butter, and coconut oil. Aloe vera is actually in almost everything I use in this video, and it's an ingredient that works amazingly well for my hair. It deeply conditions, promotes hair growth, soothes an itchy scalp, and reduces dandruff. Finding products with ingredients that truly hydrate and lock in moisture has been the key to retaining my length. After raking the cream through each section, I follow up with the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Curl Defining Mousse. I've been using this non-stop alone and layered with other products. This easily is my favorite product right now. I like to apply it in small sections. I take about 4 pumps, rake it through my hair, and then use my tingle tweezers to further define my curls. It has a sweet, fruity scent and applies smoothly. The key ingredients include shea butter, pomegranate, honey, apple, aloe, and jojoba oil. Mousses are usually my go-to because they're lightweight and very moisturizing. They give me volume and definition while still providing hold without leaving my hair crunchy or dry. After I was done styling, this is how my hair looked. I then went ahead and diffused my curls upside down for more volume. Once my hair was about 90% dry, I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes till my roots were fully dry, and these are my results. As you can see, my hair looks amazing. I have lots of definition and hold without any stiffness. I've been loving this routine. It's super easy, doesn't take much time, and my hair always feels soft and hydrated afterward. Best of all, it lasts for over a week. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.